When people decide to take anabolics, such as steroids and SARMs, they take on the risk of the potential side effects that come with them. However, as steroids have been around for a long time, many bodybuilders, through years of trial and error and regular blood tests, have devised certain strategies to optimize the benefits of their anabolics while reducing the potential side effects. Today, I'll discuss some herbs and supplements that may enhance these anabolics with cycle support and enhance the detox and restoration of the body after a cycle with post-cycle therapy methods. Some common side effects to look out for if you've done anabolics like steroids or SARMs can be changes in cholesterol, changes in blood pressure, dry joints, changes in natural testosterone production, and liver and kidney toxicity. It's known that steroid use can negatively impact cholesterol levels by raising LDL and lowering HDL. This change has been correlated with heart disease, so on-cycle and post-cycle cholesterol maintenance would be advised. It's important to have sufficient cholesterol for normal brain functioning and for the synthesis of hormones such as testosterone. In my weight loss series, I have a video on cholesterol where I discuss many herbal and dietary changes in depth that you could make to improve your levels. One of the top ways of helping to normalize cholesterol is by taking 9 grams a day of omega-3, EPA and DHA fish oil. Garlic is also renowned for clearing bad cholesterol out of the arteries. Some other effective products are niacin and hawthorn. Reducing sugar intake due to the sugar oxidation cholesterol hypothesis would be advised. Supplements like red yeast rice have been shown to be as powerful as statin drugs on lowering cholesterol levels. Other supplements would be MSM, cayenne pepper, and the adaptogenic herb zhao. Again, in my weight loss series, I have a video devoted to high blood pressure and herbal and lifestyle changes that can help it. And again, as well as helping cholesterol levels, garlic and hawthorn are excellent, as well as fish oil. For stress-related blood pressure problems, herbs like passion flower, which is Passiflora incarnata, can have great calming effects. L-theanine, resveratrol, pine bark extract, and magnesium can also be very helpful. All of these herbs and supplements have many other benefits. Injected steroids seem to have more negative effects on the kidneys, whereas orally available SARMs tend to have more negative effect on the liver. Some of the best on-cycle and post-cycle support for this is 1 gram per day of TUDCA, TUDCA, 1.5 grams per day of N-acetyl L-cysteine, milk thistle, and reduced glutathione. The most important thing is to ensure that you drink enough water each day and remain hydrated. If urine is dark yellow or orange, it's a sign that you need to drink a lot more water. Note, B vitamins can also make your urine bright orange for some hours after taking it, so be aware of this. Dry joints. This can be overcome with joint support, such as taking glucosamine, chondroitin, MSM, gelatin, hyaluronic acid, collagen, and the herb cissus. Many people overlook joint support and end up doing permanent damage due to overtraining. As these compounds also help hydrate the skin and joints, they also reduce wrinkles and make you look healthier and younger. Finally, the most important part of a cycle or post-cycle therapy is ensuring your testosterone levels don't drop too much, as this can leave one feeling depressed, burned out, and can kill your sex drive. A selective estrogen receptor modulator, or a SERM, is commonly used in PCT. This tricks your body into thinking that it's full of estrogen, and your testicles then respond by producing more testosterone, restoring natural function more quickly. Many people start a SERM 2 weeks before the end of their cycle, so that it's working from the start. Some even use a SERM on cycle. However, many say that this is a waste of money, as the anabolic is far superior to the effect that a SERM would have on your testosterone levels during a cycle. One of the most common SERMs is the breast cancer drug enclomiphene citrate, dosed at 12.5 milligrams per day. Interestingly, a dose of 25 milligrams per day was shown to have no greater benefit than the 12.5 milligram dose. Other ways to naturally kickstart testosterone production is through a dopamine agonist, such as L-Dopa from Mucuna pruriens or the chasteberry. Both of these can improve cognition, motivation, and sex drive through their dopaminergic effect. Boron has been shown to help maintain testosterone production. The herb Tongkat Ali is one of the most effective herbs. Bodybuilders noticed that they needed less steroids in order to gain the same benefits when combined with the herb Tongkat Ali. It could be taken on cycle for this reason, and in post-cycle to help restore motivation, sex drive, and energy. It's known as Indonesian ginseng due to its adaptogenic benefits, and its name also translates into Ali's walking stick, being a reference to it being an effective libido enhancer. Epimedium, or horny goatweed, is another effective libido enhancer that has similar action to Viagra. This could be used in post-cycle if needed. The herb fenugreek helps with testosterone levels. Nettle root helps to block sex hormone binding globulin, which traps your free testosterone. So this nettle root allows more free testosterone to circulate in your body. Resveratrol can be used for estrogen control. It also helps blood pressure and cholesterol. The herb Bulbine natalis and the supplement D-aspartic acid can both increase testosterone temporarily. Therefore, they would be a welcome addition to a post-cycle therapy to help maintain function and prevent muscle loss. Taurine is also important for hormonal support. It would be impossible to discuss solutions for all the possible side effects that may occur if someone decides to take new, untested anabolics. But hopefully this beginner's guide has given you some things to think about. See my other videos on cholesterol, blood pressure, testosterone, and sleep disturbances. Because in holistic healing, by balancing all the various systems in the body, it's believed one can prevent a major disease or dysfunction from occurring. In other words, small problems turn into big problems, so the sooner you deal with them, the better. And again, this is not an endorsement for experimenting with research compounds. Discuss any medications and supplementation with your medical doctor.